Yo, why the fuck am I standing up? Today I'm gonna hit you up with something different. I told you before, I'm tired of just sitting in a chair and just talking to a camera. So, what I'm gonna do today is stay stood up and talk in a camera. Much different. Today we're gonna do a BDSM test. Cause yeah, that's pretty much all I've got left in my life going on right now. I am clearly going through a mental breakdown and I'm willing to document every single bit of it. You're welcome. I could have decided to talk about people getting killed in Palestine right now. But no, I'm gonna do a test about how much of a slut I am. Decisions, all of them bad. But hey, I'm sure I'm gonna make it fun, so let's get back there. So what I'm gonna do today is, like all other motion content creators did to actually make it big, overshare on the internet. So I'm gonna literally talk about how kinky and how much of a whore I am with you, strangers. Yes, just so you know, I basically just went to Google and typed in BDSM queen. Let's test the kink out of you. I'm already kin. Welcome to a BDSM test. We'll begin testing your kinkiness shortly. Would you like to help us track your evolution over time with Raka? No, I don't want to be tracked. I don't want to know throughout time how much of a whore I'm becoming. Gender. I am of the weak sex. I'm turning 26 this year, but I'm 25 right now. Okay, existential crisis. What the fuck? Orientation. Oh, of course I'm a vanilla, strictly heterosexual dude. I would never consider... I like this type of quiz because like it gives you a spectrum to answer on instead of just yes or no. It would be kind of a dumb BDSM test. One of the questions was like, do you like a finger in your butt? Yes or no? Yeah, but it depends. I like to be dominated, especially in the bedroom. I mean, except for the bedroom, where the fuck would you do these things? It's a 50-50 thing. I think we should both get the chance to give and take in a way. So I would say that I mildly like it. I like receiving pain during and seeing the marked bruises, makeup running by tears. No, I like no. That's like it's nice after everything's done, after all the wreckage has been cleared, to see like ooh damn, like some scratch marks. That's so sexy. The aftermath is fine, but if like you're actually seeking to do these things so you can. Skyler! To each their own. No, it's not to each their own. You're hurting someone. I prefer making the sexual decisions for my partner as it gives me more control. Like, I can make decisions for my partner, but like, not to feel like more control. But just like, I think you're gonna like it, and we can try it. Like, come on. I don't mind a little playful resistance from my... No, not really. Consent. Like, no. I like forcing my... No. Forcing. Rape, bad. Very bad. I would like to have sex with multiple people at the same time. What are we talking about right now? Like general orgy or like you know a friend and they're like, I enjoy it when people watch me being naked or having sex. No, that's kind of weird. Like, wait, what is it? Is it like I send you a nude or kinda like don't like it in general because I'm expecting that you mean people in general? No, I'm gonna be neutral. I'm gonna be neutral about it. I don't think I would. Ideally, I could come in my partner and they'd obey like a puppet. No, ideally, no, that's not ideally. That's like once in a while you guys play. No, I don't think that's the go-to. I don't like making sexual decisions. I prefer my partner to make them for me. No, I disagree. I like making some and do it if they could make some too. Give and take. I love making my partners do really disgusting things purely. No. If it's only for my pleasure, no. I'm willing to try anything once, even if I don't think I will like it. Consider this. Experiences are good. At least once, try things out. Like, you're gonna be like, hey, like, 3 fingers. Physically restricting my partner during sex with clothes, attributes, rope chains, etc. is arousing. A bit. I like sending nude or sexual pictures, videos of myself to others. Okay. Whatever I answer to this one, this does not mean that you can just go into my DMs right now and just be like, show dick. And yes, I do. Receiving care, being spoiled, etc. are some of the main things I'm looking for in a relationship. No, I wouldn't say that it's one of the main things I'm looking for in a relationship. It's always nice to have these things, but I usually strongly believe that it should be that, like you're one person, they're one person, and you get together, amplify what's good about each other, and create more good things for each other. But like, I don't think that you need people to come in your life and just being like your mom. Like, I'm sure a lot of you have mommy and daddy issues. I have a thing for a large age difference in sexual encounters. I don't have well, wait, no, I don't have a thing for it, but I don't mind it, so I'm gonna mildly act. When it comes to sexual acts, my partner's discomfort is pretty much no, I'm not proceeding with whatever we were doing. I enjoy playing or acting like a... It's so fucking weird how many people like acting like dogs. Cat ponies! I do not bark. I do purple. Giving care, spoiling my partner, etc. is one of the main things I'm looking for in a relationship. Yeah, similarly, I would call myself a pussy. I like that idea of like the playful couples. Like, I will fucking roast, but you will know about that. Being treated with little or no respect during sex. No, this is not really sexy. I don't want to feel like you could just act like I'm not here. There's no reason why sex would have to happen in private spaces, isolated from. There's a lot of reasons why sex should happen in a private space, and that's me saying that. I often put a fight in bed, but that doesn't mean I want to win that fight. No, I would never put a fight in bed. If we are over there in that bed, we are already there. I find the romantic aspect in a relationship much more important than the sexual or kinky aspect. I think it does amplify the sex and everything else when like you should be someone that you can connect with, not just that you can fuck each other's brains out, and it makes things better. But hey, you do you. If you just want to use Tinder, I'm trying, but my friends are very much against that. It's not a phase, mom. So yeah, I think I'm gonna completely agree. I currently have a master. I would like to serve in a formal setting with explicit slave. No, dude, I'm black. No, we don't do that. My ultimate goal in life is to please my partner and partners, and there's hardly anything I wouldn't do to reach that. No, you should not devote your life to any purpose on this earth that you have no purpose, so live free. I have a need to constantly try new things. A sexual routine would never make me happy. I mean, yeah, having a routine is fine, but trying things out is always good. Like once in a while, you go like, I just got this strap, so what do we do? But a routine is nice too. Assuming I was single, I would like to join it. Or to start with, assuming, being physically restricted during sex, BDSM, is arousing. Being part of a group of slaves? No. I would like to be completely tied up during BDSM or sex. Why did I just say all sex as if that was the option? I mean, I wouldn't mind. Like, hey, come on. I enjoy being kept as a pet. No, once again, I'm black. We've been through this. I love seeing the fear in my partner's eyes. No. Just, I like to be sexually degraded and I don't want to feel like you bit on me, like for no purpose. No, I gladly leave everything behind, including moving across the globe if I have to. For a BDSM, like, come on, guys. Sex is not that great. But you would leave everything behind just so you could get tired. I enjoy playing a different age than what no. Act your age. Alright? Like, not as in act like you're older because you're like 30, act like you're 30, you're 20, like 20, act like you're an adult or whatever. Let yourself live and experience things. There are steps in life, and it's not like a straightforward thing. It's not depending on age. I wouldn't even say career as I want people to get to live free before having to go through these steps so that we can have the best way of tackling them. But let yourself live. Fun, make mistakes, learn from mistakes. You will be a better person from that. Treating my partner with little or no respect during sex, arousal, no. I like being forced into submission much more than submitting spontaneous. Alright, both are bad. I would like it when my partner is completely tied up during sex, BDSM. If you're not intense, I have plenty of sexual fantasies that I would like to try out, more than most of my kinky peers. I don't know, I wouldn't say, I don't have a lot of, no, you will recognize, you will know who you are, right? Do I have more than them? Again, you will know who you are. I find it adorable when my partner asks for dress or shop. No. People who like dressing up in like their high school, college clothes, uniform when they have sex. And I'm like, what's so appealing about wanting to fuck someone who looks like they're under 18 and they're still in school? I mean, sure, you could put yours on too, and you'd both be bad, but then you won't play act minors having sex. Kinda sus. I could be sexually submissive now and be sexually dominant another time. Yeah, that's a give or take. Like I said, like I could for a bit be bad bitch, and then we switch around. But I'm willing to pay for porn if it really suits my sexual. Nah, but I would never pay for that. If I did anything for free, what? How fucking hard? Use your imagination. If it comes to it, use your imagination. Go to Google and type in titties. In an ideal relationship, my partner would see me as a mere. No, making my partner suffer for my pleasure is one of the best. No, making my partner suffer for any reason whatsoever. Living with a group of slaves owned by. No. Okay, this time I'm the master. No, I'm not gonna consider. It's no big deal when things I try turn out bad for me. It's part of a risk and it's necessary for discovering what works and what doesn't. Exactly, it's part of freedom. You're free to try things. You're not free of the consequence. Bear that in mind. I'm currently in a long-term relationship. I have plenty of sexual fantasies at the very least unethical to exist. I mean, how many Geneva conventions am I breaking? I would like to provide my partner with explicit slave trade. No. Oh, is it because I'm black, so I would know how? In questionnaires like these, I tend to go for the extreme answers rather than the middle answer. To prove that point, I'm gonna go with the middle one. It's a spectrum, I want to see whatever fits. Also what she said, I enjoy keeping my partner as a pet. Nah. Provide them with a cage? That's even expensive now. Come on. I'm cheap. That's my kinky method. If I could not fulfill all of my partner's sexual desires, I would encourage them to see other people. No. I'll go a long way to make my appearance match my partner's. I don't like myself with a beard. Despise what I look like when I have it. I feel like I look disgusting. Not as if that's better right now, but I feel like I look very ugly with a beard. So I absolutely can't stand. For example, I would be dating someone and be like, hey, keep a beard. I like it on you. No, we are not doing this. However, you go and you're like, hey, I think you should try this. It could suit you. You know, if you fuck me emotionally and that type of reverse psychology, I would try things. I often behave in animalistic ways during I mean, there's doggy style for a reason. In an ideal relationship, I should have no hard limits. My life should belong to my partner and they should decide no, in no case whatsoever. Even if you're that kinky, your life should never belong to anyone else. First of all, slavery. If part of my sexual desires are not fulfilled with my partner, I would want to see other people to feel, no, I enjoy feeling like a priest. No, can't believe people like me shit. I like it when my partner takes on a nurturing and guiding, almost parental. No, again, I have a lot of issues. I don't think parental ones are part of it. If that's your thing, weird. I enjoy watching other people being naked or having sex. Are we talking about porn? If we are, yeah. If we are talking about like people in the same room as me going at it while I'd like my partner to submit to me 24/7. I'm going, no. I like my partner to be completely in charge of it. If I could make some money from selling porn clips of myself, I definitely, I've said it before, we need to legalize sex work in Mauritius, and to get OnlyFans, we'd make hella money, and that would be so good for the economy. I feel the need to serve my partner and treat them with the highest respect, addressing them as a superior. I'm totally cool with my partner having sex with other people. Nah, I think it's a you and me thing. It's like, we can make this work, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, you and I. Talking back to one's dominant, teasingly disobeying way should be part of the service. When it comes to sexual acts, my own discomfort is pretty much irrelevant if it allows me my partner more pleasure. No, I would do some things that are out of my comfort zone for you. Yeah, absolutely. I'd propose doing it. But if I'm literally not feeling it and it's very uncomfortable, I don't need physical pleasure from sex. If my partner is enjoying it, that's all I need. Well, I could agree to a degree with this one, because like, if I could serve a purpose, Pala more good, Pala do I enjoy verbally degrading my partner, calling them humiliating names during okay, because there are other places where you can be degrading, far, way too far, calling them names, far, too far. Sometimes watching people have sex is more fun than participating. Similarly to the previous point, if it's porn, yeah, yeah, of course it is, of course, yeah, it serves a big purpose, yeah it is. If it's people in the same room as me going at it and I can't, I enjoy it when my partner plays or acts like a pet. Why are there so many questions about pets? I like to be completely in charge of the bedroom and order my partner around. Well, similarly to the previous question, give and take. Once in a while, if I can, if I may, if I please may. The idea of being tortured sexually is that, no, it's not. It's really not. There's a lot of things that are appealing. Although, let's not be that radical. Having to do really disgusting things for my partner pleasure. What are we talking about disgusting things? Like, what's the context? What's the assignment? I like inflicting pain during sex, BDSM, and seeing the results of it. I don't want to look at someone and be like, I'm gonna break you. Shit, that was great. Wanna go again? Give me like 7 to 9 business days, because you've seen how I'm built. I could not be always dominant or always submissive. I need both. Of course, yeah, I need both. Wait, both are nice. I like to dominate my partner, especially in the bedroom. Where else would you do that? What if, like, that's the one place where you should be. I'm not gonna disagree with it. It's nice to do it, but like, where else would you do that? I will naturally take on a nurturing and guiding, almost parental role in relation. Again and again, I don't want to be your daddy or mommy, whichever you need. I am nurturing and I might be guiding. As a person, talking to me is like attending a TED talk. The idea of torturing someone sexually is appealing. See, that's my thing. If you do it to me, I'm fine with it. If I have to do it to you, not as much. My partner would really enjoy using me as a urine. No. Although, fun story about this. I'm not gonna tell you a fun story about that. I like to submit to my partner 24/7 and see serving them as my... No, again. Don't make it your life's purpose. You're not here to serve religion. I want my partner to serve me and address me as, would I rather be called daddy or sir? I enjoy dressing or behaving like a child. No. Or engaging in child-appropriate activities. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna get you a Happy Meal. I enjoy being verbally degraded or being called humiliating names during sex and BDSM. No, I would not. Like, that's weird. And like that thing of saying during sex or BDSM, it's like, other places it would be fine. No, you should not be talking to like that to your partner, like, except in that context of you being in your room and doing. And outside of there, in front of people particularly, you should not treat your partner as anything else but royal. I want to meet more like-minded, kinky people, and I'm willing to put it. If I stumble upon someone and we have some like weird things to like chat, great if a new awesome kink or BDSM project was launched. Sign in to the Free Fingers in the Butthole newsletter for only 25 cents per month. Sounds appealing, but I'm not really gonna follow the news in this. Drum roll, roulement de tambour. Oh, okay, yeah, different percentage. That's easy to read. Boy, girl. What do you mean? I'm not neither boy or girl. Degrader. Oh, come on. I remember you did it to me, but I did it. Daddy or mommy 6%. Wow. Non-monogamy 7%. Oh, come on. Slave 9. Is it because I'm in Nick 12%? I'm 32% a voyeur, 43% a brat tamer. Brat, what is a brat? Okay, I would expect it's someone who would tame me. I'm 46% an exhibitionist. If you've met me. Okay, now we're going above 50% and I'm 51% a brat. I'll be honest. True. 64% an experimentalist. And I would say yeah. I would say it should be way higher. I am 70% a rigger. A what? Riggers like to tie up and restrain the partner. Oh, why not? I'm 73% submissive and 76% dominant. Interesting. And I'm 80% a rogue bunny, which I expect is someone who likes to be tied. Yet, I am someone who likes to be tied as per the test and not clearly me looking like I enjoy it. I'm 93% vanilla. I would actually say I'm 100% vanilla, but and I'm 100% a switch, like the Dunhill cigarette. Switchers, like Nintendo Switch, like to, switch. Always taking a dominant or top position is not for them. Neither is always taking a submissive or bottom position. I'm neither a top or bottom bitch. Some prefer to switch with the same partner or partners, as if others have a dominant play partner and a submissive play partner, but in either case, they do not fit on one end for each of the spectrum. See what I mean? It's a spectrum. It can't be too far there, too far here. Like switchers typically pair up with other switchers. Not talking about it. But here's the test. Now you know what I am. I don't anymore know what I am. I did this because I wanted to. I really wanted to do this fucking test. I just had a random idea like, hey, why not? But that's alright. But the sole aim is not just to tell you that I'm a slut. It's also for us to think about it. It's 2021. We should remove some taboos. I hope that's healthy, the shit I've been talking about. Context with someone consenting to it with you and you're both like on the same wavelength. I'm not telling you what not to do because I clearly see that there's a lot of people who like a lot of very kinky shit. You should be allowed to live. Life is about freedom. You don't come on earth with a purpose or to be free. But also it does entail risk and consequence. As long as you're not hurting yourself in like a permanent way, terrible way, and you're not hurting others either, unless, of course, they are keen. You will see there are a few people now who try to break these taboos, like for example Carola has. We would very much gain from breaking this archaic ideology related to sex, because you would see how many problems that would cure. Since the start of this year, I have been mentioning way too many related to sex in a big aspect. Talk about it. Teach the newer generation how to healthily approach the sexual life, desires, everything related to this, so that they don't make the previous mistakes that people have. Our society is very broken. We need to empower people. Like you can let someone live with her body and whatever she wants with it, as long as it's not like being a problem for others. Where the fuck do you come in there? A lot of you have not tried a lot of very nice things. And I'm sad for you. I'm sad. Vanilla shit. Try things. Don't judge people for having different things they like. Yeah, I know. I've been talking about people who want to be treated like pets and shit. As long as you're not hurting anyone, that's your... Not saying I'm not gonna find it weird or gamat. That's it for me. Was out of here. I'll see you soon. Kinky sluts. Yo.